How to fix the Discord black screen problem on your iPhone? Hey there, welcome back. Here's the advanced guide on how to solve your black screen problem on the Discord app by using your iPhone. So, here's the following solution. Before doing anything, check your internet connection and you can open up the YouTube app or you can open up any browser you wish and try to visit any website. If you have issues with the internet, enable the airplane mode. Wait for 20 seconds and try to see whether it works or not. If it doesn't work, try the following process. Solution 1. Offload the Discord app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, now tap on iPhone Storage, find the Discord app, tap on it, tap on the Offload the app button, and tap on Offload again. Now reinstall the app and check your problem whether it's fixed or not. If you still have the issue, then try our next solution. Solution 2. Reinstall the Discord app. Press and hold the Discord app, then tap on Remove the App option. After that, tap on Delete App. Tap on Delete, and your app will be deleted. And now, reinstall the app from the App Store. After that, hopefully, your black screen problem will be solved. But if you still have any issues, then please ask me in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.